Hey there, beautiful people. I want to show you how to make a loop for bracelet clasp that will completely change your handmade jewelry game. For the longest time, I struggled with the same problem we all face, buying or making these gorgeous macrame bracelets only to realize I needed a second pair of hands just to put them on. It was so frustrating having to ask for help every single time I wanted to wear my favorite pieces. Then I discovered this amazing solution that made me so happy: simple buttons. They make fastening your bracelet as easy as buttoning up a shirt sleeve. Just slip it through and you're done. Takes literally 2 seconds. Now I'll show you how easy this is to make. This is my macrame bracelet with glass crystal beads. On one side is a metal button and on the other side a simple loop. Putting it on is just like buttoning a shirt sleeve. Slip the button through the loop and you're done. No more awkward struggles or asking for help. The metal button looks decorative while being totally practical, and the loop holds securely but still opens easily when you want to take it off. All of my bracelets now have these metal buttons and loops. Once you learn this technique, you'll never go back to traditional clasps again. Now, using this striped bracelet as an example, I'll show you how to weave the loop. Despite how easy it is to fasten and unfasten, the bracelet stays securely on your wrist. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe for more macrame hacks that will save you time and frustration. The diameter of my wrist is 16 centimeters and the total length of my bracelet is 17 centimeters. For this specific weaving technique, your threads need to be approximately 10 centimeters longer. Always take some extra length. The most important thing is to have at least 10 centimeters more. Don't forget, you'll also need enough length to attach the button. You should end up with 4 threads, each 17 centimeters long. Now we're taking the thread that we'll use to weave the loop. I chose red so it would be more visible to you. And you need to measure it about 20 centimeters longer. The main thing is not less. We will need 7 such knots on one side. I've duplicated them for you with a picture. This loop is almost ready. We just need to connect the 2 edges and start weaving the bracelet. I take the yellow thread and begin weaving the first stripe of the bracelet. I'll be grabbing 2 threads at a time. Notice that the red ones remain on the edges. The number of knots for your bracelet will depend on the thickness of your thread and the diameter of the button. We needed 14 knots. It fastens easily while not being too large. If you had fun making this bracelet with me today, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more crafty content, and let me know what you think in the comments. This bracelet clasp life hack will make your jewelry making so much easier. Thanks for watching. Are you interested in more jewelry making tutorials? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe.